All right, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a test using the 5200 UC headset from Plantronics. And in this video, what we're going to do is use this blender as my background noise. Now, if you work from home, you probably are going to get up out of your desk, you're going to move around, and you're going to go in and go to the kitchen, and you're going to make some tasty, yummy, sometimes cocktail, and maybe a smoothie. So we'll let this Vitamix run in the background while I talk to see if we're actually filtering out some of that background noise. So here we go. Let's give that a try. I'm going to start it on a low speed and increase it and kick it up to a little bit higher, high noise level. So here we go. So I'm going to start talking through this and seeing if you can still hear my voice. Now, if this is a really hard day, I'll probably put in this a nice stiff cocktail. Help me knock out some of the cobwebs and bad memories from the day. And hopefully by the end I have a nice tasty margarita or something along those lines to help me ease the pain of the day. So let's see, start breaking this up in the volume. See it's playing in the background there. I've got the headset on, and hopefully you're hearing more of my voice than the actual blender. All right, let's crank it up a little bit more to see if we've got some serious volume coming in through here. All right, that should be good enough. Let's bring that back down. All right.